How to control your cash flow during the holiday season. The holiday season is here, and your small business is ramping up to sell more than it has all year. Your orders are piling up and your staff is working hard to get shipments out to customers. At this time of the year, many small businesses want to celebrate their achievements with staff and customers by giving bonuses and gifts and holding parties. For a lot of retail and small businesses, the holidays can be the busiest time of the year, and it can also herald in one of the most difficult times of the year. Many shut down production completely and even close their doors during the peak of the December holidays. While this may conserve some cash, wages still need to be paid and fixed costs need to be taken care of. To add to these woes, customers can be tricky to track down over the holidays, leading to unpaid bills and potential cash flow problems, the major reason why small businesses fail. Managing your cash flow can be a challenge any time of the year, but it's especially challenging during the holiday season and ahead of Santa Claus. Inventory, supply chain, logistical, and cash flow issues often slide down the chimney. Here are some tips that will help you manage your cash flow so you can enjoy the holiday season with your family stress-free. Let's get started. Forecast your cash flow. Every business should have a cash flow forecast and keep close tabs on it during this time. By maintaining a forecast, you'll have a clear view of when money is coming in, when it's due out, and what's left over. This will help you make crucial decisions about our finances during the holiday season and all year long. Plus, if you have an accurate cash flow forecast going into the holidays, you'll have an easier time managing your cash flow during the holidays, helping you survive the slow period. Check out these tips for putting together a cash flow forecast and analyzing it. Evaluate your terms. Cash flow issues are problematic on their own right, but it gets even more frustrating if your cash flow fluctuations are mostly caused by late-paying customers. If you're constantly struggling with late-paying clients, it's time to evaluate your terms in advance of the holiday season. That way, you can ensure a steady source of income during the holidays and avoid the net 60-90 day trap. Start with new clients, and then when the new year rolls around, reach out to existing clients to discuss your new terms for invoice collection. Make sure that your bookkeeping is taken care of and accurate. And this will provide an analysis of your profit and loss and cash flow and your current debt position. Maybe it's time to hire a bookkeeper to keep you on top of these tasks and reduce the headaches. Chase debt before it's too late. Now is not the time to be delinquent about payment discipline. Invoice frequently. Don't overlook overdue accounts because you may not see that payment until January if you aren't on top of it. And be diligent in chasing unpaid invoices. The closer you get to the holidays, the harder it will be to get paid. So don't wait, chase. If getting your customers to pay is a constant struggle for your small business, consider offering incentives to early paying customers or start accepting electronic payments. Or, for your larger invoices, ask clients to pay you in installments instead of a big lump sum deposit at the end of your services. That way you can get the cash you're owed in your bank account before the holiday season sets in. Whatever you can do to get the money you're owed in the bank faster, consider doing it. Plan for unexpected expenses and events. Your outgoings can spike during December as you plan staff and client parties or organize holiday gifts. Other things to consider at this time are the holidays themselves. Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year, and so on will shorten the amount of available trading days, which can impact your income and profits. Plan for time off too. You and your dedicated employees work hard throughout the year. So when your customers stay home to celebrate the holidays, consider taking some time off yourself. But before you head home to celebrate, make sure your cash flow is ready for the seasonal lull. Do you have enough cash set aside to take time away from your business and spend it with your family? Could you keep things going by delegating to your staff? Make it a business-wide priority. Conserving cash doesn't just start and end with the business owner. Make sure your staff is also keenly aware of expense restrictions and management at this time of the year. Before you get into the holidays, sit down with your management team or employees to let everyone know that it's time to be cash flow savvy. Renegotiate your accounts payable. Don't pay your own bills until they are due. Sending off a payment early may create a few feel-good moments for both you and your business partner. But later on, the missing cash could cause you a few sleepless nights if an unexpected invoice comes in. In addition, you can approach a few trusted business partners and find out if they'd be open to extending your deadline for payment. Although money is often short around the holiday season, some business owners with faster cash flow may be in generous spirits and grant you a few extra days. Offer prepayment sales. A great trick on how to increase your cash flow is selling products and services that you'll deliver later. The year's end provides perfect opportunities for these types of sales as holiday gifts or ways to save money for the coming year. If the nature of your business allows it, offer your customers an early bird discount if they pay you early for future purchases. For example, 5% off for leasing a moving van next spring, or 10% off from the price of your house renovating services. Even a simple gift card for any products or services in your shop would do. The main thing is the concept. Pay now, deliver later. Lastly, if you can, delay any large expenditures until cash flow is improved. You may be tempted to reduce your overall taxable income for the year with business expense, but be sure to weigh up the pros and cons of any large purchases, repairs, or maintenance at this time. If those expenditures aren't absolutely crucial for your business and can be tackled in the new year, avoid dishing out the cash before you absolutely need to. Remember to hit the like button, and if you found the information helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.